to operate a top load washing machine. This is a Samsung dual wash wobble. So you power it on, okay, and then these are the programs, these are the extras, and this is the water level, and this one shows hot and cold water. So once you power it on, you select, let's say you want a quick wash. Once you put it on quick wash, you can adjust the water level. Normally it's automatic, like when you select quick wash and you start, it will sense, and then it will give you the minutes. It will sense the water level, and then here it's on normal water, so it will sense, and then it will start washing. So it's sensing the load. So let's see how it does when you go automatic. You select quick wash and it will give you 34. So this is the wash, this is the rinse, and this is the spin. So we said alternatively, once you select your normal program, let's say power it on, and we put it maybe on delicates, it's giving us 48. So you can adjust it. You're saying water level 3, we can adjust to 1, okay, and then the spin power you can change to maybe 4, 5, 6, something like that. And then how many times you want it to rinse, this shows 2. You can put it on 3, 4, 5, or no rinse. It will just wash and then remove water. It won't rinse. It won't rinse. So let's say we need 2 rinses. That's it. Power spin, we put it on 6, and then we start. So water is on. So if you can check that, it's filling with the water now. As easy as that.